Welcome, today I am with CUBOT R19 and I'll show you a couple camera tricks. So at the first, I will show you how you can adjust brightness level on the picture and the video mode. So you have to tap on the screen and then move the sun icon like that. You can increase and decrease brightness level. It works the same in the video mode. Okay, so right now we are going for the settings. You have to tap on the left upper corner where we can add the shutter delay. So we can go for the 2, 5 or 10 seconds. Let's select for example 2 seconds, go back, tap on the shutter, and after this time photo will be taken. Right now I'm gonna turn it off. Another option that we can find right here is the volume key option. So we can use our volume buttons as a shutter, zoom, or we can change volume level. I will show you my favorite option, it's the zoom. So right now when you go back, just take a look. When you press volume up button, you can smoothly zoom in. So you have to press the volume up button for a few times. You can zoom to the 4 times and also zoom out by pressing volume down button. You can also find in this smartphone Pro mode where you can adjust manually few values. We got ISO, we can change the white balance. So we got 4 presets. And also exposure compensation. Okay, so basically that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.